What is up, in the Loop fans? It's Margaritaville Resort update time here in Central Florida, right off of 192, and check this out. Plenty more slides going in here. So our mat racer, which looks pretty much exactly the same as it did before, we've now got 2 drop box slides. Do we even have the pods up there? Yep, so we got the pods, so they're not going much taller than that right there. But you can see pretty big slides coming in there. Lots of other slides going on as well. And one thing I will stand corrected about as we come over here a little bit. This guy, which I referred to as a steep body slide, appears to be a water coaster, so that's really exciting right there. It's going down, it's going up, so it's going to be a water coaster. Very exciting stuff going in there. Looks like it's going to go have tunnels and tubes and stuff like that. Lots of dirt moving, that's for sure. This drop box slide looks really sweet, how it's going to have the tight loop turn right there. Here's another angle here from across 192. All the twisted mess of all the slides. This water coaster definitely looks like it's going to be a lot of fun here. Especially that you can see where the jets are going to be launching your car raft thing uphill there. Oh, this twisted mess here. But yeah, your 2 drop box slides. One's very steep, coming out like that. And then the other one here is going to come up here, spiral down, and come on down this way. Of course, your mat racer has been pretty much the first slide that was completed. It's pretty much done now. The other slides here still have a little bit of work to go. One final thing to talk about here is this twisty section here to what appears to be a body slide. You got a nice little twist here, and then you got a bigger twist down there. Looks like it's going to come out here, judging by the slide colors. No, but then you have this slide up here that has a wider twist, then it has a tighter twist down there. So some entangled twisty slides coming off the top of the tower here and twisting down together. So lots of slides going in here. This support structure is still here with nothing attached to it, so really curious what's going on here, if it's going to be one of those like half pipe slides or something like that. And there is a ton of extra space here. While all of this is going on here, you can see just tons of dirt just over here. And on the other side of this complex, while this slide complex is here, right on the other side of it, also a lot more dirt. So curious to see what else is coming to this water park. I guess we'll find out.